So, after installing the two antennas, apply power to the device. It takes a while for the device to warm up, boot up. Turn it on. The covers are open on the bottom here. And you're going to put it into the cradle. Just wait until it comes up. Okay. About this time now the cradle should be ready to go. So insert it into the cradle. And what we're waiting for is an indication that the hotspot is synced in with the cradle. Okay, you can see that's happened now. There's an indication there, and these two LEDs are happening. Now if we just go to the laptop, see I'm connected to the hub at the moment, and just open up the Explorer. Now, if you want to talk to the web UI of the hub, it's just swy.hub. Takes you to the web UI of the hub. As you can see, gives you some extra information, and we're in easy mode at the moment. Now if you want to have a look at the web UI, it's just a matter of clicking there, and it opens up a new box, takes you to the web UI of the modem. Now of course one of the advantages of using the Serial Wireless Hub, up to 4 Ethernet ports on the back and 2 USB ports. So not only do you get Wi-Fi from the hub, and there you go. It's a Serial Wireless Hub, suitable for your AirCard 760